Hello and welcome to a new lesson, Difference between Theories and Principles of Mass Media, Lecture 12. Let's discuss the topic. First, we will talk about meaning of theory and principle, the two terms which are essential to understand before we jump on to the topic. A theory is a well-defined explanation of a phenomenon, an event, or a situation, whereas a principle is a foundational truth. It is built on evidence, observation, and reasoning. It is a rule or guideline that governs our behavior or understanding. It is designed to explain how and why something happens. It is philosophy of our starting point about our decision to act. It, of course, theory, offers a framework for understanding a complex system or behavior of a phenomenon. It is more ethical in conduct. Now, we should talk about please support by joining the channel. Your financial contributions are greatly appreciated and truly support the cause I stand for in promoting self-learning. By becoming a member, you will gain the opportunity to delve deeply into subjects such as linguistics, literature, and other fields of knowledge. Our members-only videos are recrafted to simplify the complex linguistic concepts. Thank you for your support. Now let's discuss the current topic. Difference between theories of mass media and principles of mass media. Theories of mass media explain and interpret how media operates and influences society, while principles of mass media are the guiding rules or standards for how media should function. Theories are descriptive and analytical in nature, while principles are prescriptive and normative. We continue to discuss the topic difference between theories of mass media and principles of mass media. The continuation of our discussion. Theories provide a framework for understanding the relationship between mass media and society, whereas principles set ethical and professional standards for media outlets and practitioners. They offer explanations for media effects, media's role, and audience reception in shaping culture and political systems, whereas principles of mass media, they are concerned with how media ought to behave. Now we talk about difference between examples of mass media theories and examples of mass media principles. And we have so many examples as far as theories of mass media are concerned. Here we have selected a few. The first one is agenda setting theory, gatekeeping theory, the two-step flow theory, multi-step flow theory, limited effects theory, magic bullet theory, gratification theory, and cultivation theory. These are some of the most important examples of mass media theories. Whereas examples of mass media principles, the first point we can talk about is truth and accuracy in reporting are very important. The second point, independence from outside influence, whether it is corporate influence, or political influence, or individual influence. Mass media should try to refrain from all such outside influences in order to maintain neutrality and truthfulness. Societal accountability for errors. The agency of mass media must take accountability collectively if it commits an error or makes a mistake. High professional standards mean that media organization should not be biased. They should report the truth in the form it is without influencing their personal preferences. In fact, they should be very objective, not subjective. Only then you can maintain your ethical, professional standard. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye. The channel caters to the academic needs of those students who have opted for English language and English literature as their compulsory courses of studies at the graduate and postgraduate levels. The channel also provides the educational needs of students in media, economics, computer and medical sciences who have selected English language as a mandatory course at the graduate level. It also offers valuable teaching resources to university lecturers and professors. Utmost attention is paid to design lessons after extensive studies from diverse authentic sources. If you find the videos valuable, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Your engagement is crucial in the manner I conduct research and put forth efforts in preparing the lessons. Please support me by joining the channel if you find my content valuable and worthwhile. Your financial assistance will definitely help me stay focused and motivated. Thank you for being part of our learning community. Let's achieve academic success together.